Introducing the Beko Heat Pump Dryer, the perfect solution to simplify your laundry routine. Are you tired of waiting for your clothes to dry? With the Beko Heat Pump Dryer, you can say goodbye to damp clothes and hello to perfectly dry garments in no time. This heat pump dryer offers a generous drying capacity of 8 kilograms, allowing you to dry large loads of laundry with ease. With 15 programs to choose from, including options for bedding, cotton, synthetics and more, you can select the perfect drying cycle for your specific needs. The anti-crease function helps to minimize wrinkles, reducing the need for ironing and saving you time. The time delay feature allows you to conveniently schedule the start of your drying cycle, fitting perfectly into your busy schedule. Safety is always a top priority, which is why the Beko Heat Pump Dryer features a child lock function, ensuring that little hands stay safe around the dryer. The reverse tumble action helps to prevent tangling and ensures even drying for all your garments. With its energy-efficient design and impressive Energy Star rating of 8, the Beko Dryer helps to reduce your energy consumption and lower your utility bills. So upgrade your laundry routine with the Heat Pump Dryer from Beko and experience efficient and effective drying performance. Say goodbye to damp clothes and hello to perfectly dry garments every time. Thanks so much for watching.